Dancehall have a new emerging artist, a new giant in stores right now. One A-suh boss. A-suh, what going on, father?
A-suh, fully out in my G. Why pray?
See it now, A-suh right now, intense one no. Yo, how the journey start off?
You know thing, you know? From go Irish girl, you see, me kinda into music. Kinda like write music, but I never used to sing out, you see me? And when I reach like Norman Manley, you know, like 8th grade, one of my dad them name New Money. You see me really show me what to do and I kinda like it. You see me bring me a voice song and all of them things there. So from that day down to now, I just say like I dog bring them.
Jungle, we don't want them.
Which community you hail from?
You know I think I come from Jungle. From the Lincoln Christian Desert of Maxi right there, so you do me? Yes, sir.
They're close to one of the college of dancehall and reggae music, Trenchtown. As a youngster growing up in the community now, how's that impact for you in the music?
I know it's a big woman thing, talk truth now. Jungle is a place where I love music from a longer while, the dancing in the street, you see it? So, music in enough people blood, and just in them from man, you know what I mean? So you come like me, I want a lucky one them, you see me?
So the music find you?
Yeah.
so how long basically start this professional now?
3 to 4 years now.
First thing I drop, you get the feedback from the fans and the family and I say, yo, your butt. How was that feeling?
I feel good said way, you know. But when I really make it get to me, I just know say, yo, I have a aim said way, dog. And when I reach where I want to reach. But every time I drop a song, somebody I tell you say, we improve said way. Sound better, you see it. The lyrics them I get better, said way, you see it.
You have a song called Get a Life. Where it's a very powerful song where, you know, respect for that song there. Powerful impact behind a song there and a lot of people can relate to it.
Yeah.
You know, have to be from the garage, you can be uptown. Once I listen to the melody, the song and the vibe. You know? What's the inspiration behind that song?
Instead of me turn to the streets, just putting on my song and that one there really from the heart, dog, if I really can listen to it.
Yeah, the voice of the people.
Yeah.
Dancehall have a lot of artists now upcoming and everywhere. How you basically, you know, market your stuff from?
You know, we use social media, we use personal thing, but you're not gonna really see me anywhere. If I'm not for music, I have to be music, nothing else.
It's like a freedom of speech. But yeah, the Broadcasting Commission basically put some ban certain type of, you know, topics out there. Like scamming, gun, Mali. How was that? Was that impact for you? Like towards your songs? Like,
yeah, we are entertaining right now and I do my work. That's it. I'm work, me I do just like what them I do them work.
So talk to you right now about the song you promote right now.
The song I promote at the moment named Lonely Road, that's it. Don't know. If I hear the title, Lonely Road, that's it. At the journey where I kinda go through personally, you see, beyond the music, you see me?
Yeah.
So, don't know. Me as an artist, musician, slash entertainer, I put all of them things that I feel inside of my music because that's my go-to, you see. I can't tell nobody where we are go through. I tell the mic, I will tell the talkaphone, you see it?
So music is your therapy basically.
Yeah.
So why should people actually check out this song or buy this song?
I know me alone, I go through pain out there, you see. People out there go through similar things, you see me? I know I know me alone. So you can listen it, and from I like it, just have to do what you do, you see it? Because when music good charge, you see me?
Yeah man, so now the music industry right now, who, you know, you look up to like, which artists out there right now or before, you know, say the artists make you want to do music more because they do it the right way.
I listen to everybody, bro, I tell you everybody from Stitchy them days, Vibes Cartel,
Stitchy.
down to right now with Family, Chakalani come right up with everybody. From music and music, I listen to it. From it bad, I ain't under my vibes because I'm going to listen to music to my vibes.
So if you're going to pick artists right now for the calibration right now, you fit your style. Which artists you choose?
Don't know still, everybody knows as Spartan still, you know. Is it? Our rate wild side said we, you see me?
Yeah, it's a bozo.
Yeah, fully
Javi.
out, man. You know. Yes, sir.
So yes, boss. So what next move for you and your team right now towards the music?
I continue the work, said we, you see me? Continue to the things serious, reach out to who can reach out for tough up the things, said we, you see me? Yeah.
And what can people look out for you on next platform, like songs? What can check for next?
No, man, we have a portion of song, man. We just go on, do, you see it?
And
We just
EP
go on,
launch,
be
anything, go on, we can look for that.
no, we
date.
have more singles, man, and them things. We are stack up the catalog for the moment before we do no EPs. One people them kind of take we more serious, you see me? Because we don't know they already do what we have to do. One more the eyes them pound right now, you see it? Because when we are going to make the EP or the album, take a mad man, me I tell you.
And where you think your next big thing of dancehall right now?
Hey, sir.
That name, no, why you get that name there? Really fast, why you get that name there? No?
What you talk now, man? You know, say Jesus Peace, me name first. Streets them don't know me say Jesus Peace, I say, but if you talk facts, when you hear about Jesus, you start pretty religious, you see. That blank, so that not gonna really sell me as a brand. So you don't know me, I have to come up with something. And we just one day my son there and just say so. I'm just take it and run with it as it.
I say man Sunday.
Yeah. I'm a son. I could even talk good, isn't it? So
finally, what makes A-suh Boss intense?
Our style, man. Our style and don't know our style and our lifestyle, man, differently. You know, the streets will tell you. You know what I mean?
See it now, dancehall fly the gate. One A-suh Boss. Look out, check him out.